Here at the Dental Implant Center of Royal Oak, we strive on comprehensive dentistry, treating the entire mouth and your overall health. Typically in the past, you would have to see multiple doctors or specialists in different towns and different offices. And for a lot of patients, it can be very cumbersome to have to drive to these different appointments and manage everything and have your dentistry kind of split into pieces like that. Here, we are essentially a one-stop shop. You are able to see the surgeon, the restorative doctor, the laboratory team, our anesthesia team. And so when we talk about a same-day conversion or a same-day set of teeth, there's a lot that happens on the background that we do in order to facilitate a patient's treatment in one day. So that way, when you're here at the facility, all of your treatment can be completed simultaneously. Here at the Dental Implant Center of Royal Oak, our philosophy is we are one team in one office, and in one day, we can change your life for the better. I invite you to schedule a complimentary consultation and x-ray with our office today. Give us the opportunity to visit with you and see what type of problems that you're having and things that you'd like to accomplish as well. We have several finance options that are available to you, and we'd be happy to spend the time going over all of this with you.